Welcome to Hanging with Archbishop, and you are hanging with Archbishop. We're live here in West Africa in the country called Cote d'Ivoire, what we call the Ivory Coast. I'm here visiting Bishop Bruce. This is our bishop that takes care of the territory here for UKCF, and he takes care of Cote d'Ivoire and also our churches in Israel. But here, as we've been looking at land, we ran into our friends here, and they are making from the dust. I want you to hear this. They're making from the soil and the dust. I want you to see this. Come close if you would. And they are making a product called kaolé. Is that the way you call this? Kaolé. And they're making this product. In America, I smoke barbecue and I smoke meat. They're smoking dirt, people. Now look here. This is the product here, over here, that they have bagged up, ready to take to the big city. And they're ready to take that to the big city. I'm going to show you what they're doing. Isn't that amazing? Now, we leave with, this is a finished product of taking dirt and smoking it for medicine, for traditional. I did a wedding this weekend, and people smeared it over their body for traditional makeup, but it is used for medicine. It is used, and some people actually lick it and eat it, and it heals them. And that's what they tell us. But a lot of beauty products are made from kaolé. Hey, till the next time on Hang with Archbishop, we're in West Africa on the way to Israel. We'll see you.